The Prime Minister leading the second phase of India's vaccine drive from the front at 7 a.m. this morning. The Prime Minister was administered with the first dose of India's indigenous vaccine, Covaxin. Taking to Twitter, the Prime Minister said he took his first dose at AIIMS. He also lauded the doctors and scientists of the country and said they have worked in quick time to strengthen the global fight against COVID-19. He's also appealed to those eligible to get vaccinated. Sister P. Nivada from Puducherry administered Covaxin to the Prime Minister. Covaxin is developed by Hyderabad-based vaccine manufacturer Bharat Biotech, and its phase 3 trials are still underway. It is one of the 2 COVID-19 vaccines approved for emergency use in the country. The Prime Minister in these pictures is seen wearing a gamcha from Assam, which is symbolic of blessings of women from the state. He's also seen wearing it on many other occasions in the past. My colleague Ashutosh is getting us more details on that story. Remember, the vaccination drive kickstarts at 9 this morning. Ashutosh is at Medanta Hospital in Gurugram. Ashutosh, tell us how things are at Medanta Hospital and what are their plans for walk-in vaccinations.
Well, as we know, the private hospitals have been roped in, as this is going to be one of the biggest mega drive, a vaccination drive. We have seen the kind of experience that India has during the polio. So this is going to be the similar exercise. Since the private hospitals have been roped in, including one of the reputed hospitals like Medanta, so the preparations have already been done. On this building, the 14th floor where the vaccination will take place, what we know that there could be a load on the COVID app and also the COVID government website. There are several people also reporting it that the OTP is not coming. Clearly, looking at the first day, there could be load on that. Hence, these private hospitals, the government hospitals, there are those arrangements have been made that people can walk in and register, including one at Medanta. Shortly, we'll get you those visuals and also the registration date, the entire process. If you're unable to register through the COVID websites, reach to these vaccination centers. The list has already been out, including 10,000 Ayushman centers, private hospitals. The list has already been issued by the Union Health Ministry. On these centers, through the registration, of course, there will be certain time and slot will be allotted to the candidates, and then they can further follow the instructions similarly with their ID card and required, including one comorbidities with the certificates from the doctors, and then they can follow the procedures. All the arrangements are in place. Shortly we'll get you the visuals from the vaccination centers and all these arrangements that is being done in the private hospitals, including one here in Gurugram.